The Human Rights Writers Association demands arrest and jailing of Commissioner of Police involved in the girl's murder. The Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria HURIWA has slammed the Nigerian Police Command for the death of a teenager girl identified as Jumoke during the Yoruba Nation rally in Ojota, Lagos on Saturday. Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria National Coordinator Comrade Emmanuel Onwubiko and Media Affairs Director Zainab Yusuf issued a statement. They asked for the rule of law to be administered and the perpetrators brought to book. The statement read in part, the killing of this little girl whose only crime was that she came out legitimately to pursue economic advantage so as to feed herself was gruesomely murdered by the bloodthirsty operatives of the Lagos State Police Command. We hereby demand the arrest, prosecution and jailing of the Lagos State Police Commissioner for his and for this egregious assault to our national psyche and for breaching the constitutional rights of the people of Nigeria and by attacking peaceful protesters, marchers or ralliers in Lagos, and for this tragic termination of the precious life of this 14-year-old girl in Lagos. Well, according to report I have heard earlier today that the girl in question is not even 14-year-old. It has been said that she's older than that 14. There are so many controversies, but that's not the issue. The age is not what we should be deliberating on, but justice must prevail. Either 40 years old or 30 years old or 18 or thereabout, she is human. So, and we need to, demand for justice and also arrest and prosecute those police officers that perpetrate such evil. And if they are not being provided, the Commissioner of Police must stand in stake for those that shot the girl. Meanwhile, the Lagos State Police Command has refuted claims that a 14-year-old girl by the name Jumoke was allegedly hit by a strayed bullet at the Yoruba Nation protest held in Ojota, Lagos State on Saturday, July 3rd. Rumors were rife in the news that a small girl who was not part of the protesters was knocked dead by a stray bullet as she attempted to open the door of a provision shop. The spokesperson of the State Police Command, CSP Ademuyiwa Adejobi, in a statement issued, made it clear that the command did not fire a single live bullet at Ojota rallies today, and the rumors are attempts to create confusion. I know the Lagos State Police, they will look for a way, not even Lagos State Police, in general, the police in general, or the army, the security agencies in Nigeria generally. Can you vividly remember what happened in October 20th, 2020, during the NSAS protest in Lekki? The massacre was just too much. They said they were unknown gunmen. At the long run, they said they were unknown soldiers. They said no, hoodlums hijacked the protest. And that's just one of the fears of these security agencies, especially the Buhari-led administration. They never wanted anybody to protest or confiscate any rally so that their secrets or their bad governance will not be exposed to the world. And they definitely know that the rally that will take place in Lagos will be the height. Those are took place in Ekiti, Ondo, Osun, Oyo. They were smaller to what will happen in Lagos because they know that Lagos is the eye of the market. Well, the spokesperson of the State Police Command, CSP, as I said, Ademuyiwa Adejobi, in a statement issued, made it clear that the command did not fire a single live bullet at Ojota rally today, and the rumors are attempts to create confusion. If they never fire any live bullets, but they fired tear gas, there were tear gas and there were video that could back that up. The attention of the Lagos State Police Command has been drawn to a news making round that a 14-year-old girl was hit and killed by police bullet today, 3rd July 2021, at the venue of the Oodua Republic mega rally in Ojota, Lagos. The command hereby wishes to debunk the rumor and state categorically that it's a calculated attempt to create confusion and fears in the minds of the good people of Lagos State and the country at large. The command did not fire a single live bullet at Ojota rally. If now that the report is saying that they want to debunk rumor that the state categorically that it's calculated attempt to create confusion and fears in the minds of good people, why would the police come outside in the first place? Why would they station themselves all over and started raining tear gas on the peaceful protesters? Why would they come outside? Now it has been said that the 14-year-old girl has been killed. Well, the said corpse was found wrapped and abandoned at a distance far from Ojota venue of the rally behind MRS filling station, Inward, Maryland, on the other side of the venue, with dried blood stains suggesting that the corpse is not fresh. After a close look at the corpse, a wound suspectedly sustained from a sharp object was seen on it. The news is false and mischievous. The command, therefore urges the general public to disregard the news and go about their lawful normal daily activities while investigation to unravel the incident will commence immediately. The Commissioner of Lagos State, CP Akim Odumosun, therefore commiserates with the family of the found deceased and assures that thorough investigation will be carried out. The command equally wishes to warn against the spread or peddling of fake and unconfirmed stories, as such could be dangerous and counterproductive. That means what really happened in Sunday Igboho's house by the DSS is also a fake news, because I believe if they had killed Sunday Igboho, they would have said it's unknown government that invaded his house. Well, that is the work of this present zoo we call Nigeria. At first they never wanted the protest to hold. Yes, because they know definitely the hoodlums will hijack the protest. That's what they believe. And who are the hoodlums? Who created the hoodlums? Who created the beast? Who created the demons? If not the government of the day. This present APC administration is full of hoodlums. They themselves are hoodlums. They themselves are the tyrants that could hijack any protest or any. But come to think of it, we are even talking about protest in a civilized world, in a developed country. Protest is part of a constitutional right. It's human rights violation. Why would police even spray tear gas? Let's even call a spade a spade. What are they doing with tear gas? In a developed country or in a civilized country, let's use US as an example, though they are far more developed than Nigeria. Their police or their security agents would never do that. The best they could do is just to take armor shield to just be pushing people for the fact that people are rowdy or trying to be violent. Even if a citizen is even slapping or kicking a policeman in US, they won't do anything or retaliate. But the order of the day in Lagos State is just, or in Nigeria precisely, and it is common with Buhari's administration. If you protest, you are in trouble. If you don't still protest, you go to social media to air opinion, you are still in trouble, because they will rather block or ban that social media. Well, all these things is uncalled for, Buhari. Well, time shall tell. Everything that has beginning must have an end. That's the only thing I will say.